लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब, आप मोशन लेकर आए जुडिशल कमीशन, जुडिशल रिफॉर्म्स के लिए, पार्लिमानी कमेटी बनाने के लिए, तो हाउस के सामने फिर मैं रखता हूं। जी पढ़ लें, अभी पढ़ें। लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब का माइक ऑन करें।
This has been signed by many of the honorable members and the leaders of the parliamentary parties. This August court believes that the parliament is the supreme. Sorry. Ji. No. I'm sorry. I'm trained into this. It is written as house. My apologies. This August house, it will take some time. मैंने 40 साल यही बोला है. This August court believes.
लॉ मिनिस्टर साहब आप प्लीज
साहब
पढ़ें.
सर इसलिए एक मिनट जी, आप प्लीज मुझे मौका दे दें आपने. Honorable Speaker, this August House believes that the Parliament is the supreme legislative body of the state of Pakistan, whereby the enactment of the laws, including amendments in the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973, is the sole prerogative of the Parliament. And whereas the Constitution envisages trichotomy of powers amongst three organs of the state, namely the legislature, executive, and the judiciary, it is the legislature which has been assigned the task of lawmaking, the executive to execute such laws under the doctrine of separation of powers, the judiciary to interpret the laws under the doctrine of separation of powers, and none of the organs of the state